Hello, fourth graders. Hopefully you guys are getting the hang of these videos and they are proving to be very helpful. This is really nice to have in my catalog of videos also. And this way, if we go remote, you're gonna be A-okay and good to go. Okay, today we're talking about fractions on a number line. We are in the fourth lesson in our fraction series. We have used number lines a little bit, but we're really gonna use some for fractions to help us really understand them. So, on fractions on a number line, a lot of the times you're going to have a 0 and you're going to have a 1. And we maybe have never really done numbers between 0 and 1 before. We've always used whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are all whole numbers. But with fractions, it's kind of easy, but you got to look at it. So the easy part about it is look at how much spaces there are, okay? From here to the next tick mark, that's what they're called, tick marks, that's 1 space. Then from this tick mark to the 1, that's 2 spaces, okay? The number of spaces you have is your denominator. Your denominator, again, is the number on the bottom. Okay? 2, we don't know how much we have on top. However many spaces it takes to get to a tick mark is your number on the top. So for this one, that's 1 space. So the number that goes here is 1/2. 1/2, okay? It's 1 tick mark over, and then there's 2 total before you get to the whole number 1, okay? We're gonna do a few more, but there is a really, really good, fun video. My 5th graders remember it from last year. We watched it a lot, and it's kind of fun, catchy, and it helps you kind of understand fractions on a number line, okay? Make sure you go watch that video. It might help you to watch it now, so you can pause me, watch that video, come back. If you don't want to, we'll keep going. Give me some time to write a number line here. I hope that fractions have become easier for you. We got a 1, or 0, and we got a 1. Let's split it into, I'm gonna split it this way. I'm not gonna tell you how many parts I split it into. I wanna see if you can figure it out, okay? So you can pause the video, see if you can figure it out by yourself. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal spaces before we get to the number 1. That means our denominator for all of these tick marks is 4. 4 spaces before you, in between 0 and 1. Don't count the ticks. Count how many spaces there are. 2, 3, 4. How many spaces you have to jump, okay? I have to jump 4 spaces to get from 0 to 1. Now let's figure out what each tick mark is, okay? I have to jump 1 space to get from this tick mark 0 to this one. Since I only have to jump 1 space, 1, 4, okay? I now have to jump 2 spaces. Jump, jump. When I jump 2 spaces, we're at 2 fours. Not too bad. I have to jump 3 spaces to get here, or 1 more space from 2, so I get 3 fours. I now have labeled all of them. Now, if you check, if you have to jump 4 spaces, that means the number on top would be 4. There's 4 spaces total, so the denominator's 4. 4 fourths is equal to 1. 4 fourths is equal to 1. Good job. Okay, that fraction page is there. Let me check for your homework. Your homework is just 1 page today, page 73. On IXL though, I want you to get an 06 and 022, get 70%. And please make sure you are still completing extra math. Super important to get that. Thanks, 4th graders. Bye.